everyone, welcome back to Page Bunting and Jay's Arise. My name is Sambo. Nice to meet you. Today we will learn 8 words from lesson 21 that talk about birth of Jesus. Let's get started. The first word is parents. Parents. Parents spell P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents. Second word is child. Child. Child spell C-H-I-L-D. Child. Third word is children. Children. Children spell C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. Siblings. Siblings. Siblings spell S-I-B-L-I-N-G-S. Siblings. Four words is grandmother. Grandmother. Grandmother spell G-R-A-N-D-M-O-T-H-E-O. Grandmother. Next, grandfather. Grandfather. Grandfather spell G-R-A-N-D-F-A-T-H-E-O. Grandfather. Next, grandchildren. Grandchildren. Grandchildren spell G-R-A-N-D-C-H-I-L-D-O-E-N. Grandchildren. Seven words is grandparents. Grandparents. Grandparents spell G-R-A-N-D-P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Grandparents. The last word is granddaughter. Granddaughter. Granddaughter spell G-R-A-N-D-D-A-U-G-H-T-E-O. Granddaughter. Okay, let's review. Parents. Parents. Child. Child. Children. Children. Siblings. Siblings. Grandmother. Grandmother. Grandfather. Grandfather. Grandchildren. Grandchildren. Grandparents. Grandparents. The last word is granddaughter. Granddaughter. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please make a sentence or sentences by using 8 words that we have learned today in a comment. If you do it right, we will give thumb up, and if not, we will give correct. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link and see you on the next. Bye bye. God bless you.